wanted to do this adventurous mountaineering activity called abseiling. And we were surprised that it was right in the heart of Brisbane.
Good morning, fellas.
How you going?
How are we going?
Morning.
Claire.
Mayur. Hi, I'm Rocky.
Nice to meet you.
We're here for the exciting abseiling situation.
Yeah? Oh, that's exciting. Right, first thing we got to do, fellas, before we head out, we have to fill in a form on these tablets over here. So if we just want to come over here, fill in one form each, and then we'll get started. One size fits all.
That's it?
That's it.
Are you sure there's no more?
That's all you need to keep you alive.
All right, that's also.
And then we took steps, literally, towards our activity, which was located near a ridge by the Brisbane River.
All right, this is it.
Here we are. Oh man, looking forward to this one.
You want to go first? You want to go second?
I don't care. I want to go first.
Okay.
Who's going first, fellas? Hold on one second. Safety first, mate.
Sorry.
We got to clip onto this one.
The excitement runs away with me sometimes.
No worries, mate. Come on over.
Well, this is one of the big reasons why I wanted to get both of us out here in the morning. That.
Yep, the beautiful view.
Oh my God, it's
Everything's
spectacular.
nice in the morning, isn't it? Right, so this is your safety line, Rocky.
Okay, great.
Right, now this one here's your control rope. Right, so this rope here's yours. Right, that's all you got to keep you safe.
Perfect.
Hey, I've had to deal with my friend for 41 years. So, you take a call. If something happens to him, there's $1 million in there for you. Go, Rocky, go. No, you'll be safe, right. No, I know you wouldn't do that. Safety first, I got it.
Legs stay nice and straight. And we're gonna lean back into that harness, mate.
That's a long way down, man.
Right, keep those feet still, Rocky. Bit more, mate. Bit more, a little bit more. And small steps down now, Rocky. First couple of steps are the worst couple of steps. Woohoo! Right, and that is the hardest part done. The looser you hold that rope, the faster you go, mate. Woohoo! Yeah.
This is good.
Whoop, keep leaning back a bit more, Rocky.
Is he there yet?
Not yet, not yet.
This is incredible.
Feet down, Rocky. Touchdown. Yeah. Great work, Rocky.
That was a lot of fun. You gotta come out here and try this. Nothing like getting your heart pumped early in the morning. Beautiful view over here of the river. Now let's watch what Mayur does.
First couple of steps are the worst couple of steps. Okay,
Yeah.
just let that rope slide on through their hand, mate.
Mountaineering has always been one of my favorites, right up there with food. And this going down gave me a wonderful high.
Touchdown. That was quick. Yeah. Great work, Mayur. Smashed it, mate.
There was no better way to kickstart the morning in a city full of fitness-conscious people.
It's a bit dry, I need dahi here.
Usually ना, वो दही से याद आया, एक बंदा बस में बैठा होता है, तो लेडीज की सीट होती है, तो दो औरतें आती हैं बोलते हैं उठो, उठो, क्यों? यार देखते नहीं हो हम महिलाएं हैं, कहता आप महिलाएं तो क्या हुआ हम दही लाएं। Good one, yeah.
Okay, lovely, fantastic, sir up.
Well, listen, lovely तो मेरे को एक चीज लग रही है यहाँ पे. There's a whole culture of fitness over here, and within that culture there are subcultures. Like there's a subculture of running up and down the stairs. There were 25 people who've been doing that, including one 65-year-old lady, who's the fittest of all of them.
I saw her, man. When we came in, she was doing it. All the other people left, she was still going up and down.
बेटा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो यही दिस इज द गुड एडवांटेज. कोई पंगा वाला तो बोला बेटा तो जानते नहीं अपनी नानी को बुला के लाता हूँ. देख लेगी तेरे को.
And क्या view है for exercising. Imagine going up and down. This is the beautiful view you get. End में आके healthy नाश्ता खाओ.
And this is the good part. You enjoy the morning, enjoy the view, enjoy exercise, and then there are places like this, open for people purely for exercising. So you can have the healthy breakfast, of which there are 20 options, or you can have the unhealthy one, which I've really had to look for.
Nothing unhealthy with that. Eggs have protein. Bacon has fat, which is very good for you. The sourdough toast is much healthier than normal white refined flour toast.
तभी मैं सोच रहा था
Caffeine gives you a burst of energy. Healthier.
इतना fit क्यों feel कर रहा हूँ मैं आज सुबह सुबह. But that rappelling was fun, the abseiling. That was good, huh? Wakes you up for the rest of the day. Alright, jaldi kha. Let's head out.
Few people know that one of Rocky's favorite hobbies is bird watching. And that's what he wanted me to do today. So I was dragged off to the Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World.
Hello, my name is Frank. I'm originally from South Africa. I immigrated to Australia, this beautiful country, in 2003. And I started these gardens in 2007. And the gardens themselves consist of many exotic plants combined with native plants. And I've combined that with the views of the mountains, which make a lovely backdrop. If you want some beautiful views and you want to relax and leave your stress behind, this is the place to come.
Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome.
I'm Rocky.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Melba.
Wow, seeds. Here's some seeds for you.
Thank you. Do I eat?
Yeah, no.
Look at these guys.
Are they stunning? Welcome to Maleny Botanical Gardens.
Thank you.
So what I'll do now is I'll just take you through
Okay.
and you're going to say hello, aren't you? I know you well.
Deep
Come
breath.
on. Come on. Come on.
So cool. Oh, hi, Mister.
No pinching.
I've already made a new friend.
Oh,
That's good. That's good.
Ticklish.
he's ticklish. Now, would you like another friend? Just put your hand out.
Oh, great. Yeah. Ow. Ow.
You lost a friend. Did you have another friend?
Yeah.
Did we get everybody in?
Ow. Ow.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, boy.
Hello, beautiful. Now, our macaws.
While all this
are very
bird watching
beautiful,
tickled
as you
Rocky's
can probably
fancy,
tell, they do
the
weigh
birds just took
a little
fancy
bit.
in
Some of
tickling
the
me.
heaviest macaws are around 5 kilos.
It's ticklish.
Are you having fun, Mayur?
Yeah.
Smile.
Hello. You know, my friend's a serious birder. Like, we go all over, and he's always like, oh, look at this. And I'm falling asleep.
Yes.
But I'm so glad he made me come here, because this is beautiful. Look at this guy.
I have been to bird parks all over Australia. Yeah. This is the only bird park, because I love birds. This is the only bird park that you can actually come in and interact with the birds like this. So we're very, very lucky. Come on.
Yes, thank you, honey. Thank you. That's
And-
beautiful.
Wings up, wings up, wings up, wings up. And he'll show you his tail.
Oh, beautiful.
He's very beautiful, isn't he?
Oh, my gosh, they're all beautiful.
They are all beautiful, and we are very lucky.
Oh, no.
There you go.
This is great.
Ow, ow. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come
Oh,
on.
man, look at this. Ah, it's sliding now.
And, oh, wave. Woo. Oh, there you go. Wave. Oh, no, we're not. Oh. Okay, we sort of did something.
Okay.
Now, would we like to go into the next cage?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay.
It's very ticklish.
Just pop up out of your way there.
Hey, let me turn this way.
Now, what we'll do is we'll get you into this cage here.
Okay.
Welcome to our second aviary. Just like to come through.
You got some budgerigas over here.
I can tell how much you love the birds.
was absolutely mesmerized with the sheer variety and colors of the feathered fauna who chirpily perched on us.
What's that?
That's a pheasant.
Come on. Come on, where? Ow! Head massage!
Oh, lovely. I'm in paradise.
I know.
I can't stop taking pictures.
Hanging out with the birds.
I can see her.
Have
She
a
just
seat,
walked in.
Mr.
Yeah.
Where do all these birds come from? Have they hatched here? They're rescued? People bring them in?
Some of the macaws that you met were hand-reared by Frank.
Okay.
Some of the birds have been donated when people can't have them anymore at home.
Okay.
They come down here and they have a look here and they fall in love with the place and think their birds will love it.
Yeah.
And their birds obviously do.
Yes.
And we do have people who have macaws who live down on the coast.
That's pretty cool.
That is so great. And how do you get them to be so friendly and relaxed? I mean, these are, it's amazing to have these birds just
They're beautiful, aren't
Just
they?
come and sit on you. That's incredible.
As I said, some of these birds that have been donated, they've been at home, so hand-reared, touched all the time, so they certainly learn it from there. I come in maybe 3 times a week and just sit and talk to them.
Right.
But as other beautiful people like yourselves come through who love birds, the birds can feel that you love them.
Yeah.
And so they will just sit with you. It's very, very nice.
That's incredible. This is really special.
It's very special. It is very lovely.
Yeah.
We're very, very lucky that
I
it's
can't
here.
stop smiling. I got a bird in my head. It's like you've been hanging out for the
Come on.
last 15 minutes.
Let's get a selfie, Mayur.
All right, mister, come on.
Are you
I'm
having
going
a
to
good
miss
Just
day?
want to get off.
Okay. You've been very good.
Where'd he go? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yeah, come on.
That's one of the most beautiful birds I've ever seen.
He's very beautiful, isn't he?
Look at the colors on him. My God, they're incredible. He's got purple on his neck. He's got green and blue on his back. He's got yellow in front. That is an incredibly beautiful bird.
What is
Yes.
it? A finch?
It's a finch.
Here's a Gordian finch. Now, Frank is the expert on finches.
The really beautiful one up there.
They call it Gordian finch.
The Gordian finch.
Gordian finch. They're
Okay.
from North Queensland, from Cairns up to Darwin.
Ah,
Yeah, the prettiest finch in the world.
yeah. Rock.
That is.
Gordian finch.
Gordian.
Like I said, I've never seen a more beautiful finch in my life. Well, this is one of the big reasons why I fell in love with birds when I was a kid. The colors are just so incredible.
I'm going to have to drag my friend away. Otherwise, we're going to spend the next 3 months here. Rocky Bhaiya, can we leave?
No.
Okay. We got places to go and people to see and...
More birds to see outside.
I know.
Have you seen, though, Frank created a very beautiful treehouse for his son. It's got the best views, and it is the most unusual treehouse you'll ever come across.
Oh, really?
And would only take 2 minutes if you ran up the stairs.
Sold.
Excellent.
Let's go.
Awesome.
Let's do this.
Nice.
That is a very luxurious treehouse. Well, this one's hard to beat. Oh, but it is beautiful.
You can use this as your like little retreat. Yeah. Look at the view here. Look at that view. Wow.
After a very busy and happening day, we decided to treat ourselves to a nice dinner in a cozy restaurant.
Wow. Ooh, that's nice and cozy.
Welcome to Altitude on Mobile. Would you like to start off with any drinks there?
Yes. Do you have any dark ales or a stout?
Yeah, we've got the 4 Pines Stout from New South
Super.
Wales.
I'd like one of those, please.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
And may I get a Negroni, please?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Grab you those drinks.
Thank you. Nature has such a nice effect on you. Just like something supposedly little, like having a bird sit on your head and your shoulder, just leaves you with this very nice warm glow. Yeah.
I think that's the power of connecting to nature. You just simply forget about everything else in the world, and you're really living in the moment. The second point is that bird is this big, so you can't really ignore it if it's sitting on your shoulder or your head.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a sourdough.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Taro chips.
Thank you.
And the cuttlefish.
Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
I'm beginning to enjoy this idea of local produce from as close as you can get it. Oh man, so good. You know what it does? For travelers like us, when you're going from one place to the other, the specialty of the local produce keeps changing every few hours. Like cuttlefish, we've not got cuttlefish before. And this is really wonderful cuttlefish.
I never want this to end. वापस जाके काम करना पड़ेगा.
I'm just getting warmed up to the trip. Don't talk about it ending. It'll never end. Every time I eat bread here, reinforces the fact that Australian bakeries are probably the best in the world.
Take it from me, when you're ravenous, there's nothing more satisfying than a steady stream of courses coming to the table.
The chef's an artist.
Thank you.
Wow.
The bountiful local produce gets converted into works of culinary art by Aussie chefs who pour their heart and soul onto the plate.
Oh, okay. Wonderful.
Look at that bottle. Oh, really? Wow, check that out.
It's nice. It's got a skull. Yeah, how can we go wrong with that?
Nice.
Bit of a leap of faith. Normally people put skulls when they don't want you to drink something. Oh, look at that color on that. Yeah, got it.
Oh, these are incredible, yeah.
I'm slowing down, man. Australia's getting to me. I'm like, it's quieter, there's no horn.
Okay, we have the carrot
Oh, wow.
Ah, there's my lamb. Oh, it looks lovely.
and the lamb.
Thank you. Oh my God, this is just falling apart here.
What do I do with this? Ah, okay. It's like all the carrots are protecting the pumpkin. They're like, don't mess with the pumpkin.
So good.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, and he's cooked it with the skin. Interesting.
It's quite incredible.
Man, just so that I know that I'm not dreaming with all these wonderful days that we've had, pinch me.
Sure. Let me tell.
I said pinch. I didn't say stab me with a fork. Oh!
So that?
Nice holiday.
Yeah, there's a huge advantage to making brilliant food like this. And, you know, it could get a little expensive sometimes. But the great part is if we make such fantastic food, people will travel to eat it. If you keep making it at frequent stops, it provides a whole new outlet for tourism, and just food tourism.
Yeah.
That is so big. And I think Australia is a wonderful place for just food tourism. Just come here to eat and get this magnificent food from everywhere.